Hi everyone, it's Joe with My Things to Do. I've got a little quick bit for you here for Valentine's Day. Shh, don't tell my girlfriend. This is a present that I've been thinking about since Christmas. And yes, Christmas. Because after Christmas, I bought this box of peppermint candy canes. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn my peppermint candy canes and some chocolate. Unfortunately, I don't have the melting chocolate, but in our house we always have some form of chocolate. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to take the peppermint candy canes and chocolate and make a wonderful Valentine's present for my First thing I'm going to do, I put about 6 candy canes in a plastic bag, and I'm going to break them up because I want to sprinkle them on the chocolate once it's melted. There, that looks good. Now let's get to melting these chocolates. I've got 2 different kinds. Again, don't have the regular cooking melting chocolate. Chocolate melts, right? Yeah, it should taste good. I've got my chocolate in this bowl on top of the stove in my pot with boiling water underneath. Full disclosure, I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm just winging it over here. Steam is getting out and making everything steamy. I guess I could have done this in the microwave. It might have been faster. We'll see. So the idea is to get this melted chocolate in between these hearts. No, this isn't going well. I should try microwaving this chocolate and see what happens that way. The Dove seems to do better as far as melting goes. Let's see how if this will work. I did have to put some cream in it to help make it a little looser. Ooh. But hey, this is what I'm here for, to show you what not to do. Oh my gosh. That one's just, oops. Well, there we go. And there it is. Alright, while that's still hot, I want to sprinkle some of these cracked pieces in there. Nothing says I love you like cracked peppermint inside of some chocolate. I'm going to make up some more of these and see if I can't do it a little bit better than the first 2 tries. I don't know, that one looks pretty good. This one, you know, she'll forgive me. Will you guys? Alright, I'm going to keep trying this and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so here are the finished products. The chocolate heart candies with peppermints inside. I understand now why I needed melting chocolate, but I used what I had on hand, and I know she will love it because she loves chocolate, she loves peppermints, and she loves me. Yay! And here's some of the other gifts. Now, these little plastic hearts, I actually gave these to her a few years ago, and I had them filled with notes. I'm not so much of a card kind of person. I like giving notes. And what I love about these is that they're reusable. So I'm reusing them again this year for notes. You see I have one note in here. I'm not going to show you what the other notes say. And I repurposed some pill bottles. I decorated them and added the hearts, and it says Open Me on the top of it. And this one I used some fabric that Tiffany was using to make some other items and stuck a little look inside me. I'm not going to show you what's inside of them. That's a little too personal. I made this candy jar for her a couple of years ago as well, and I went ahead and filled it this year with the candy that I used to melt inside of her hearts for this year. Okay, well, Valentine's hearts and chocolate is my thing to do today. Make your Valentine something special too. Make it your thing to do. Bye. I think I know why I needed the regular melting chocolate in the first place. My Valentine surprise is not going well. Ooh, it's not going well at all, is it? No, this is not going... Okay. That one's a pure bust. Look away! Look away! You don't see this. This is definitely not. Okay. We're going to call that one a bust. I'm going to try this a different way. Let's try.